A little behind the scenes look. This is the newsroom. It's really the hive of everything that goes on air here at 10 TV. It's kind of empty now because most people are already out the door working on the day of stories. But this weekend, it will be full once again. And a lot of us will still be out there to bring you the latest updates. Now, let me give you a look at the folks who are telling you about the weather. Now, back here in our weather center, we're going to have a team of 5 meteorologists here all weekend long, including meteorologist Meredith Garfalo. Meredith, why is it so important that people turn to us to get that information?
Well, you're going to have decades of experience all here within one day. And you're also going to have the team that knows Ohio better than anyone else. Some of us are from here. Some of us have spent years forecasting here. We're putting all of our knowledge and our experience together to make sure our viewers know exactly what's going to happen and get you through the storm from start to finish.
Yeah, and you can get that over the air on Channel 10, on the 10 TV app, and on 10 TV Plus. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. We're doing this right now on a Roku. It works the same way for your Amazon Fire devices as well. All you need to do is just mouse over to your search function in your Roku. Once you get to your search function, all you have to do is type in 10 TV, and you'll find 10 TV Plus in your apps category. Mouse over to it, hit Add App, and once it installs, you'll be able to get the very best from 10 TV 24/7.